Behold, in the last days I will do a new thing. I will make a new covenant with my people. Jeremiah 31:31. I showed you how this new covenant is spoken of in the New Testament. The old covenant is like a family and the parents teaching the children, saying, you do this because I say so. But now it's for your own good. And when you're older and you're mature, you will know why I taught you this. And then you will live it from your heart. The old covenant is that learning process. The new covenant, we now know what that is. It's the covenant made in the blood of Jesus Christ. He sat down at that last Passover, lifted up the cup and said, this represents my blood. The new covenant. I am the fulfillment of it all. Now, the Apostle Paul, we saw in Colossians chapter 2, we read what Paul said about now that you're under the new covenant, you're in Jesus Christ. He said, therefore, let no one judge you about what you eat or drink or a festival or even the Sabbath. He said these were all a shadow of what was to come.